What are these bananas?
So yeah, these ones came from Vietnam. They're called Vietnamese black.
Vietnamese black. How do they taste?
Super sweet. They're not black inside. I don't know where the name came from black.
So nothing about them's really black.
No, they're a sweet banana.
They're really
I'm
tall.
sure they're
really happy. Is
yeah,
this
they
the
grow.
Same?
I like them because they're really prolific. They'll put out a lot of fruit.
And this is the same one?
Same one here.
Okay. And how long do they take to ripen?
Well, they stop growing when it gets below 50 degrees, so they'll sit on the tree for a while. So supposedly once it puts out 24 leaves, it'll fruit.
Okay.
And then to ripen, if it's warm and you're watering them, it takes a couple months here for them to be ripe. If you just see a little bit of yellow,
you think?
yeah.
Okay.
If there's a little yellow on any of them, then it's ready to cut.
But that's a big rack there. That must be, I don't even know how many.
They get bigger than that if it starts out in the springtime. These sat over winter.
Okay.
So they should
sometimes
actually
they'll
have
flower
double.
in the spring?
Yeah, if it flowers.
Oh, look at that. So this thing's still flowering?
Yeah, this one's still flowering, but I think it's done.
Okay, so
it just didn't have the
like
heat.
The cold.
Yeah, same as this one. It should have a whole
so
rack.
So this is basically the extent of the rack that you're going to get?
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly. And the hummingbirds love this stuff. They come up to the banana flowers.
So they like the banana flowers. Yeah, they're such interesting looking things. Really beautiful flower. And so it will just keep producing these flowers as it opens up, right? The petals fold up.
Yeah, some people cut these off and then steam them and eat them.
Oh, you could eat them?
Yeah.
What do they taste like?
I don't know. They seem starchy to me.
Starchy, vegetable.
Yeah. So, actually, they do sell these in the Ranch 99 and Seafood City.
Okay, so some cultures enjoy eating it then.
Yeah. Oh wow, we have some ripe ones back here. I didn't even notice that.
Really?
So this is from this is from the dwarf, a Hawaiian one. Let me get a knife and we'll cut it off. Then you could take some.
Sure. So there are some ripe bananas.
You don't want that on your clothes.
It ruins your clothes, right?
Right, yeah.
So you just cut that off.
Don't
get the juice on there. What happens if you get the juice on your clothes?
It stains it.
What color?
Brown.
Really?
Yeah.
So clear liquid turns your clothes brown?
Yeah. I don't know if you can try that. So this one I got from Carol Graham. She's probably one of the banana aficionados in the county, master gardener. She called it ha'a, but
oh wow,
that's
delicious.
It's supposed to be a white eholina, but it's not. So I really don't know what it is.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
Really enjoyable.
Yeah.
I prefer bananas like this over the store-bought any day.
Yeah. It's got a little more tang and it's
dynamic flavor.
Mm-hmm.
The texture's a little different, but superior in my opinion.
Yeah.
And how long ago do you think it took those to ripen?
It's probably flowered in the fall. And then
so what, like 5 months probably?
Yeah. And this has probably been ripe about maybe a week or two.
Okay.
Because we've had a little heat, so.
Yeah, we got a little warmer, so then they just turn color.
They turn color.
Yeah, those are delicious.
Yeah, we'll send some home with you.
I will eat them.
Yeah.
My kids will eat them.
Yeah.